Hey everyone, my name is Karina, welcome back. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make super easy and delicious huevos en salsa roja. This is such a quick and easy breakfast idea. They're so flavorful, super fast to make. If you've never had them, stay tuned and I'll show you guys how to make them. For this recipe, we're gonna set up our skillet on medium-high heat. Once the skillet is hot, we're gonna roast 4 Roma tomatoes, a quarter of a white onion, 1 garlic clove, 1 chile serrano, and 2 chiles de arbol. You gotta be careful with the chiles de arbol because they tend to roast very fast. So make sure that as soon as you see them to start changing color like these have already, that's when you take them out. Because if they burn, your salsa gets bitter. I'm gonna be getting out the serrano and the garlic. Okay, the onion is now ready. Tomatoes are now ready. We're gonna turn off the heat. We're gonna add all the ingredients to the blender. We're also gonna add a 1/4 cup of water and some salt. We blend. We're gonna be using 4 eggs and I'm gonna add some salt and we beat them. Set the pan on medium-high heat and we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, we're gonna add in our eggs. We move them around until they're fully cooked. As you can see, our egg is now fully cooked and we're gonna add in our salsa. We're gonna lower the heat to the lowest setting and we're gonna let it simmer for about 5 minutes. This is a perfect time for you to check to see if you need more salt. Okay, for me this is good. So now we're gonna cover it up and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes and our huevo con salsa roja are now ready. Look at how delicious it looks. It smells amazing. And I like to serve these with some refried beans and some queso fresco, which I have right here on my plate. Now it's time to enjoy some huevos en salsa roja. This is such an amazing breakfast because it's so easy to make, so flavorful. If you haven't tried it, please do so. You won't regret it. And there you have it, delicious huevos en salsa roja. Cheers. Con los frijolitos y queso. Perfect. If you've made it this far and you're not yet subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications so you won't miss any of our videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.